Today we will see another type of little more complex type of age-related exam. I have been going through this age-related exams in the previous modules also. So this is a more tough, complex question. So that it is been asked in a recent question, competitive question, and referred to me by one of my friends. So friends, please listen carefully. And nowadays the tests are becoming more and more competitive, more and more tough, because so many people are appearing and they want to give the maximum tough questions, and you have to also be prepared for appearing and solving the maximum difficult questions in the least time. So from that angle, I would request you to listen very carefully to this problem, so that you can practice it and make it as the going says, practice makes perfect, and you will find a better result for your exams, competitive exams. So let us go into the problem. The present age of Ram is 5 years more than 3 times the age of his son. So listen here carefully. What is the first point given? Ram's age is 5 years more than 3 times the age of his son. So from the question, it is clear that the son's age is obviously lesser than the father's age. So let us assume son's age is equal to let us assume the son's age as equal to x for the purpose of solving this question. Now what will be the father's age from the given condition? Father Ram, that is Ram's age is equal to 5 years more than 3 times the age of his son. So what is 3 times the age of his son? 3x. Fine. So it is 5 years plus 5 years. So this is the present situation from the question. So another point is given. Let us go into the next point that is provided here. 5 years hence. Listen here carefully. 5 years hence. 5 years hence, I have already said. So whenever they say hence, it means that it is in the future time, future tense. So 5 years hence means after 5 years what is going to happen? After 5 years, Ram's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of his son. Listen here very carefully. After 5 years, Ram's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of his son at that point of time. So after 5 years, what will be the son's age after 5 years? Let us assume son's age is presently x. So after 5 years, this will be x plus 5. Okay, son's age will be x plus 5. And similarly, from the given condition, after 5 years, what is happening? Ram's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of his son. So twice the age of his son will be 2 into x plus 5, because we have seen that after 5 years son's age will be x plus 5, and 2 times the age of the son will be 2 into x plus 5. It is easy to understand. So after 5 years Ram's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of his son. So after 5 years, what will happen to the Ram's age? It will be twice the age of his son plus 10. So listen here carefully. So how we have found it is, the second condition says 5 years hence Ram's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of his son. So 10 years more than twice the age of Ram's son. So that we have found. Now here we can easily find how another way also we can find this. What will happen to Ram's age after 5 years? Here we know presently it is 3x plus 5. Okay. So if you add 5 years, after 5 years, what will happen to Ram's age? Ram's age will be after 5 years, this will be equal to 3x plus 5 plus 5, or this is equal to 3x plus 10. We know, friends, we have from the question it is given that after 5 years what happens to Ram's age, but we have calculated from this equation also. So these two are equal. So equating these two, we will get after 5 years Ram's age will be 3x plus 10, or this is equal to 2 into x plus 5 plus 10. So let us simplify this. So this will be equal to 2x plus 2 into 5 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20. So listen friends, don't waste time or writing so many steps. Writing 2 into 5 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20. One shot you should write all this. So we know 3x plus 10 is equal to 2x plus 20. So bringing x to this side and 10 to that side, we will get x is equal to 20 minus 10, this is equal to 10. So we have solved the son's age. So what is father's age? Father's age we know is equal to 3x plus 5. So 3x plus 5, father's Ram's age will be equal to 3 into 10 plus 5. This is equal to 35. We have got the option here. Option 2 is correct. So we have got the answer very quickly. So friends, practice these questions with the different values and different question papers. It is a very easy question, though it appears to be a little complicated. If you read it in, you should read completely read the question. Take 10-15 seconds. If for solving you don't need even 10 seconds. You can do it so fast. So go through this step and you can easily reciprocate these steps and get a very good result for this type of questions. And if you practice, as we know, practice makes perfect. Do it again and again. Do it 3-4 times if it is required, and then you will be able to succeed. I will wish that you will be able to succeed in whatever exam that you are going to try, be it PO exam or clerk exam or the PSUs and other government exams. All these type of exams for quantitative exams, ages type of questions are very common. So try all the different types, maybe about 15 to 20 types of questions are there basically. All these you should practice so that you can ensure that one mark is definitely obtained from this point of time, so that you can guarantee your success. So all the best for your success. So friends, you have like my presentation, please subscribe to my channel and also give the liking as well as share it with your friends so that it will be helpful for them also. All the best for your attempts. So go ahead and prepare well so that friends, you will be able to succeed with all the best. Thank you.